My name is Eli Harris, and I was doing some volunteer teaching at my old high school when COVID happened. And at that time, I got in touch with two other entrepreneurs, and the three of us started putting our heads together to try to understand how we could help schools and other large commercial environments reopen. UVC light it's proven in hospitals and it's worked, but because of the price point, it hasn't been accessible. And now we're able to use it in schools, in restaurants, in hotels, in any of these dynamic environments. We were hearing from both of our school and our hotel partners that they were previously using chemicals and going around and spraying to disinfect. And this UVC light is not only safer for the operators and the janitorial staff, but it also makes it safer for people to go back and use these spaces after disinfection. UVC really is just light. So it's entirely eco-friendly. There's no chemicals, no pesticides. You can use it around food, and you don't have to worry about using it in spaces where children or people will enter. We built this product so that it was very operationally efficient and easy to use. So you don't need to hire any additional full-time laborers. It's your existing janitorial crew, and this becomes part of their toolkit. And they go around and they manually clean a space per their normal protocol. And at the end of that cleaning, they wheel this in, they press a button, and it runs a cycle. So we embedded LTE chips, GPS, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on our devices. So if you're a parent or a teacher, you can actually see, okay, my child's classroom was disinfected at 9 o'clock last night. Or if you're the facility manager, you can see, okay, classroom 11 was disinfected at midnight, but somehow classroom 17 was missed. So from a risk mitigation and liability perspective, you can actually make sure that the job is being done and these rooms are being disinfected. And you can show that data to stakeholders, to parents, to teachers, to customers, and get people comfortable going back to these shared spaces.